Today, I'm reviewing Netlify AI Gateway, a serverless AI model integration tool released in 2025 that helps developers add AI features to their apps without the usual setup and infrastructure overhead. Netlify AI Gateway works as a fully managed layer that automatically handles API credentials and billing for providers like OpenAI, Anthropic, and Google Gemini, injecting model access directly into serverless functions as soon as you deploy. The platform supports multiple models and frameworks and includes built-in rate limiting, usage analytics, and consolidated billing within Netlify, making cost tracking and control easier for development teams. Developers praise the gateway for speeding up experimentation and deployment by eliminating the need to manage separate provider accounts, allowing AI SDKs to work out of the box in serverless functions. However, some users reported rollout issues where automatic key injection caused unexpected behavior or broke production features until environment variables were explicitly configured, highlighting the need for careful setup. In summary, Netlify AI Gateway is a solid option for simplifying AI integration and reducing operational complexity, but developers should plan configuration and billing settings carefully to ensure smooth production behavior.